What is up, YouTube? Day 2 of All-Star Bash. I lost my sunglasses, so I'm squinting pretty damn hard right now. We're here, car's still in one piece. Still in one piece. I did bend the wheel though. So this guy is done. My good old M Parallel that I'm probably gonna sell for cheap now. So there's a couple things that I want to accomplish today. First and foremost, horse deep mile. I want to get the main downhill, second gear to third gear. I want to get that nice and smooth. Accomplished that yesterday a little bit, but I want to get it cleaner. But get a lot more tandems in today. So let's get right to it. All right, guys. So we are heading to Horse Deep Mile. Me and Mac and Eugene is going to be following. So the event is going good so far. Yesterday was pretty fun, as you saw in the footage. There was a lot of tandeming, or a good amount of tandeming, a lot of seat time, and it was just a good time. It was a really good time. So now we're gonna continue our day, going to Horse Thief, and let's see if I can make my car last the rest of the day. I hope you guys like this new camera angle. I never tried this one before, so let me know what you think about it. Okay, let's warm up these tires on this right here. Going in hot. You guys ready? Let's go. Oh man, I gotta tell you guys, Horse Deep Mile seems a lot smoother than my first time out here. As you saw, second and third gear, I'm still trying to clean up that transition going down the main hill, but we'll see. Damn. Oh man. Good job, fellas. Good job, fellas. That was really good. Yeah, brother.
What's up, man?
How you been, brother?
Been good.
Good to see you. So this is the guy who made FR Legends.
Oh shit!
Are you going back out right now?
Yeah, we are. We should go back and change tires.
You guys are all pitting down there to change tires.
Yeah.
Coming back here, you're gonna drift down there.
We're probably gonna come back here.
Okay, for sure. We might hang out up here. We might skedaddle. We'll see though. But
okay.
I want to give him a ride along with someone that I know personally.
Yeah.
And yeah, just let me know.
Yeah, sounds good. Hi. It's going. Ready?
Yeah.
All right. All right.
Yeah, very good.
Good, good?
Yeah.
Awesome. Hell yeah. So what'd you think?
Very cool. And
Yeah?
force is strong. Yeah. And the e-brake is deceleration is really hard.
Yeah.
It's when you put the brake in.
Yeah. So you're gonna build a drift car now, right? It's expensive, I'll tell you that.
How much horsepower does this car have?
I'd say about 160. This is actually a bone stock motor from a 325 BMW.
Okay.
So from the factory they make about 180 horsepower.
Yeah.
But then with the age of the motor, this motor has 200,000 miles on it.
Okay.
So like I'd say probably take off about 20 horsepower. So right around 160.
Okay.
So 160, 170, somewhere around there.
Yeah.
But completely stock motor.
Yeah. So 160 is enough.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Enough to have fun. You have to work for it, but you could have some fun. Good. I did a really bad dirt drop. I think on that note, I'm calling it a day. That's a wrap for All-Star Bash. We are loading up right now, or I got most of my stuff loaded up. Also, shout out to Turo. This is my tow rig for today. Freaking Nissan Titan. Couple issues with that, but seats don't work. Kind of sucks towing, but whatever. It's better than U-Haul, even though I got a trailer. I'm also missing a rear diffuser. I don't know where it went off, but I gotta go find it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about All-Star Bash. This year was pretty freaking crazy with, well, number one, it was about a month later into the year, and there was a night event, so I had a blast. Hopefully next year they do the same thing and a lot more people come out. So leave a comment down below, and if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe.
It's absolutely stupid to spend your time doing things you don't like.